Hello, I am André Lusegardis and welcome. Today we are gonna see a clipboard code. We have an input here inside a form. Well, we are gonna type here, leave a like. And we are copying it. When we copy, it is displayed a message. And we are gonna see how this code is done. Leave the like and come with me. In here we have two files that I changed. This is the global.css for the styling. I'm gonna pass it through really slow here. If you want to see something in detail, you can pause the video and check it out. And also the link for this project in the GitHub is in the first comment. And now I'm gonna focus here in the index. This is where our code is taking place. It is a NextJS application page router. So here we can see what is going on in the screen, in the return. This is everything that's going on the screen. We can worry about the rest of it later. So we have a header here where we have a link for my YouTube page and a H1 and a H2. So in here we have the form. When we access the form, this is for styling. Class name is always for styling. And on submit, this is the function I'm calling when we submit the form. When we submit it, when we press enter in the input or when we press the button, because this button right here is a type submit. So if we press it, we submit. And we also have an input, class name for styling, placeholder. This is what will be in the screen when nothing is being displayed, like so. And leave a like. When we copy this, it will be shown here. So if I type here 1 2 3 and I say copy and I press enter, and here, so this is what we are doing right here. So this is the application, and well, we have here the button and this right here on change. Let's see what this is doing, because the function is right here. So we have a event, and this event is receiving, we are getting the target value. This is what we are typing in here, and we are setting it into input text. Input text is a use state, and we also have right here a snack bar provider. This is responsible for the box in green right here when we submit our form. So let's see how this is happening. Handle copy click. We are seeing right here handle copy click. Well, first we have our event. We are saying that this event is of type form event, and in first we are prevent default. Why we are prevent default? Because the default is when we have a form and we don't have this, what will happen when we submit is the page will reload. So you see that this has happened, and I'm gonna say right here potato and copy, and the page reloaded and the word is not here, though we still have the effect. It's still here. So if we want the alt text to stay on the screen, we are gonna prevent the default. This is the page reload. So we are saving that, and in here we have the calling another function, and this function is responsible for placing the text of input text. Input text is what we are typing the input, and we are putting in the clipboard, and this is it. The function is it. And in here we also have what we want to be displayed in the screen, in the little message 1 2 3 and copy, and 1 2 3 copy to clipboard, and text input copy to clipboard. This right here is what's going on. So how is this working? This is working with not a stack. This is a library that we are using. This is the link to it, and in here we have the documentation. Well, to use it, we just need to copy this line of code, and we are opening our terminal, and right here we are pressing yarn add no stack and press enter. This will start installing it, and we can already use in the project. So when this is done, we can use it already in the project. So I am calling here snack bar provided and enqueue snack bar. Enqueue snack bar is so we can declare what will be shown in the screen, and snack bar provider is so it is displayed, and we can see right here that we are also adding a variant. This is not needed, but this add a effect that's really nice. So if we press Ctrl plus space, we can see everything that it can be. It can be default. The default is, if we do not add variant at all, we will have the default, and I'm gonna press, and this is the call of default. And let's see, error and copy. Error is red, and info is blue. Warning will be yellow. And what makes most sense for our application here is success, that this is green, and this represents that the application worked. This is it for this video. I hope you like it, and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.